Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, plug them into power, and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so connections stay stable. On your Android, install and open Move to iOS. On the iPhone, start setup and select Move data from Android or use Quick Start. Once done, the iPhone will display a code. Note it. Make sure both screens stay awake, do not lock. This initial handshake creates a private Wi-Fi network, so data can move securely and quickly between phones. After entering the iPhone code on Android, the devices pair over a temporary Wi-Fi network created by the iPhone. Next, on Android, pick the specific data categories to move: contacts, message history, camera roll, Google account details, and Chrome bookmarks. Choose apps if prompted. The apps that exist on iOS will be suggested. Make sure you have enough iPhone storage. If the iPhone is low, free space first. Stay near both devices and avoid interruptions while the progress bar runs. Once transfer completes, finish the iPhone setup by signing into your Apple ID and confirming privacy settings, then verify contacts, photos, and messages arrived. Make sure iMessage and FaceTime are activated for your number. Go to settings if messages don't show. Reinstall any apps that didn't move from the App Store. If something goes wrong, restart both phones, update to the latest OS, and move to iOS app and retry. Often a restart plus latest updates resolve interrupted transfers quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.